Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today with my November favorites, so I'm super excited to share these with you guys. It's not so much makeup, it's more like body care category, but it's good nonetheless. That's why it's in my favorites. So we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into the video. So today I have a few Dove products to talk about with you. I have the Dove exfoliating body polish. I got it in crushed macadamia and rice milk. There was this one other, like, not flavor because you don't eat this, but this one other like scent or whatever that was sold out that I wanted to try. But so yeah, I got that one. It's a little dirty. I like used the whole thing basically, and it does last you a while, and it has like a little protective lid. So let's pop that. I think I'm participating in Vlogmas. I'm gonna try to post a video every day of December. We'll see how that goes. But this is how much I have left. Oh, it was just the dried up pieces. But yeah, so I just go ahead and scoop this out. You do have to scoop it. I'm making a mess right now. Also, I don't know what's going on with my hair, but we're just gonna move on. I'm gonna like, excuse me. And then I also have the Dove Dry Invisible Clear Finish like deodorant. This is a spray deodorant. This is my preferred deodorant. I prefer this over stick deodorants. So it has like a nice little mist. So and it goes on and you're good to go. It says it doesn't stain clothes. Sometimes though I just can't help it. Like when I put on something, like it will like stain it. If that's like, it doesn't stain after like white, but sometimes putting it on, like especially when the tube is like new, it does have a little bit of a white residue. This does have a strong scent, by the way. I'm like getting a whiff of it right now. But if you just like take water on your hand and kind of just like rub wherever it got on the clothing, it goes that way like immediately. So it's not like it's like stays, because like when you have like the stick deodorants and stuff and they like do leave that white residue, like it's really hard to get out with like water, even if you just go like that. So this is awesome. Next we're gonna jump into like a beauty related product. This is the Sigmagic brush shampoo foam. It looks like this. And I love this product. It like has a pump and it comes out like as foam. I'm not gonna pump it out on my hand right now, but it makes cleaning your brushes like super easy. Takes out product like this, blending brushes, face brushes, foundation brushes. You like take it, you swirl it, and it just boom, takes it away. You rinse the brush and you're good to go. Makes the process really simple. So I do recommend this product. And then next, I used this in my last video. I'm going to put that up here. But this is the Clinique Bottom Lash Mascara right here. Cute little tube. It has the tiniest little wand. Perfect to get up in those like little baby hairs. And then also like baby hairs, I mean bottom lashes. And so I use that on my bottom lashes, and I also use it on the top lashes right before putting on my mascara. So I use this at like the root, and then I go in with my actual mascara. Okay, so girl, I got you. I know it's not summer anymore, but I'm getting you ready for next summer. I have two like summer related products I was going to talk about earlier. I just never got to it. I have the Banana Boat Deep Tanning Oil right here. This contains no sunscreen, but listen, I went to the beach one time over summer, which is like crazy because I live right next to the ocean. And I used this and I had that tan for the rest of the season. Like I pick up color really easily, so I do want to pick up like an even tone, if that makes sense, and like a nice creamy, like rich, like just like caramel, like not like something dull. So I did go in with this all over my body. I was out in the sun for like 4 or 5 hours and I got a nice even tan that stayed. And then to like kind of like touch it up and just like now having my SPF going, I got the Copper Tone Glow with Shimmer 50 SPF sunscreen. Looks like this. And I love this because it does have like a shimmer. So I would wear this to school, like on my shoulders, like on my chest. I'm gonna go ahead and like rub it into my hand for you. I put this on my legs and it just kind of like blurs everything and gives you like a nice shimmer at the same time. I think I put too much on my hand. Okay, so I'm going to show you my hand with the sunscreen and then without. This is my hand without the sunscreen, and this is my hand with the sunscreen. You see how it has like that beautiful just like sheen to it versus this one just looks nice and dull. And I had a feeling like even when I did wear this sunscreen, it also like helped, like even though it had SPF, like you did pick up like a slight tan, but it was just like so subtle and like glowy. I loved it so much. So that's all over my hands now. Last but not least, we're going to jump into my final product. This is I want to make my thumbnail. Wait. So the last product I have to talk about is actually a perfume. I picked up two perfumes that I've been using in like in combination, and this is one of them. This is the Carolina Herrera Good Girl perfume. It just smells really like fresh and like young but sophisticated, but it's still like playful and fun. It's a really beautiful perfume. I suggest you go smell it. I actually bought it in like the gift set because it's holiday, they have a lot of gift sets going on. So it comes with the like lotion tub, and then also came like a I swear that too close to my face. Also comes with like a little shimmer oil. So I haven't touched those, so I don't know what that's like. Usually the lotions smell exactly like the perfume, and you can put on the lotion without having to put on the perfume and you get the scent. I haven't touched the shimmer thing, but I don't know. So I don't know if it's like sticky or something. But yeah, it did come in a set, and it's just like basically the same value as if you bought the full thing. So might as well get all three products. So those are my November favorites. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to be trying to put out videos every single day for you, so stay tuned for that. Check back into the channel, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, everyone.